Today I'm going to show you how to install a truck cap on the back of your truck. This is for anyone who's purchasing a truck cap and has never installed one before. I know my first time was kind of a tricky situation, but I'm going to show you how to do it properly. First thing you're going to want to do is get the truck cap on your bed rail, so you'll probably need a friend to lift it up. Then you're going to need at least four of these clamps. These ones are made in the USA and I got them on Amazon. They're way cheaper than anything available locally, but being made in the USA I think will be a little better. They're going to come packaged like compactly in that form, so you're going to want to use a 14mm socket to loosen them off so that you can separate them. Alright, so how we're going to hang these is we'll loosen them off of here. We'll turn. So these pads here on the edge. There's a pad here on the edge. And use these as our guides. Now the instructions say only to tighten to 6 or 7 foot-pounds. That doesn't seem like enough. What do I know? But I'm going to tighten them more. I think your biggest risk if you go too tight is stripping the aluminum, so just keep that in mind. Now we'll just keep adding a clamp per corner and keep going around. You could add an additional 5th and 6th clamp in the middle if you want it. I think if this was a longer cap, like an 8-foot one, I'd do that, but as this is only a 5.5-foot cap, I'm not going to worry about it. So once we get this last one on, we're good to go. It's really not a hard thing to do. An electric ratchet makes it 10 times easier, but you can definitely do it with just a regular ratchet. This is what my top looked like after I took the roof basket off, and I'm going to have a video coming out about how I kind of restored it. So filled some holes with fiberglass, repainted it, and evened it out and maybe add some lighting. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week, and keep an eye out for that next video.